Think again. GrabPay has become a powerful financial tool in Southeast Asia, letting you pay for everything from groceries to bills. But with great e-wallets comes great responsibility and spending limits. So, how much moolah can you actually hold onto in your GrabPay wallet? Buckle up, because we're about to dive deep into the world of GrabPay limitations and how to maximize your financial freedom. The big but, understanding GrabPay account types. Before we unleash the numbers, there's a crucial factor to consider: your GrabPay account type. Grab offers two options, basic and premium. Each comes with its own set of limitations, so knowing which one you have is key. Basic GrabPay, your everyday e-wallet companion. This is the default option for most users. It's perfect for everyday transactions, topping up your phone, grabbing that morning coffee, or splitting the bill with friends. But here's the catch. Balance limit. You can hold a maximum of Rm500 Malaysia or 5,000 Singapore dollars Singapore in your basic GrabPay wallet at any given time. Monthly spending limit. Previously, there wasn't a monthly limit, but Grab recently introduced one. Now, your total spending, including P2P transfers, is capped at Rm4,999.99 Malaysia, or there's no mention of a monthly limit for Singapore. GrabPay Premium, unlocking more financial power. Feeling restricted by the basic limits? Upgrading to GrabPay Premium might be your answer. Here's what you get. Balance limit, whooping Rm1,500 Malaysia, or 5,000 Singapore dollars Singapore, that's triple the basic limit. Now you can hold on to more cash for those bigger purchases. Daily spending limit, feeling like a high roller? GrabPay Premium lets you spend up to Rm1,500 Malaysia a day, compared to the basic's Rm500. Monthly spending limit, similar to basic, there's a new monthly limit of Rm10,000 Malaysia for premium users. Upgrading to GrabPay Premium, is it worth it? The answer depends on your spending habits. If you're a casual user who mostly pays for small purchases, basic might suffice. But if you regularly make larger transactions or want the convenience of higher daily limits, premium could be a game changer. Upgrading is completely free, so consider your needs and make the call. Beyond limits, additional factors to consider. While these are the main limitations, there are a few other things to keep in mind. Top-up limits. There might be restrictions on how much you can top up your GrabPay wallet at once, depending on your chosen top-up method, e.g., bank transfer versus debit card. Regional variations. Limits might differ slightly depending on the country you're using GrabPay in. Always check Grab's official website for the latest information. Maximizing your GrabPay experience. Tips and tricks. Now that you know the limitations, let's explore ways to make the most of your GrabPay wallet. Link multiple cards. Connect multiple debit or credit cards to your GrabPay account for easier top-ups and backup options. Utilize promotions and rewards. Grab frequently offers promotions and cashback rewards for using GrabPay. Keep an eye out for these to stretch your money further. Consider GrabPay for bills. Many billers now accept GrabPay payments. This can be a convenient way to pay your bills and potentially earn rewards in the process. The final takeaway: GrabPay, your financial ally, but know your limits. GrabPay is a fantastic tool for managing your finances on the go. But remember, it's not a bottomless pit. Understanding your account type and its limitations is crucial for responsible financial management. With a little planning and these handy tips, you can make GrabPay your go-to e-wallet companion for a smoother, more rewarding financial journey. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.